Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Perkenalkan, nama saya Muhammad Fadil Afren dari kelas 10 mesin 5.
Perkenalkan, nama saya Muhammad Nilman dari kelas 10 mesin 5.
Perkenalkan, nama saya Nur Fadil Octaviana dari kelas 10 mesin 5.
Perkenalkan, nama saya Muhammad Mesin Badila dari kelas 10 mesin 5.
Perkenalkan, nama saya Muhammad Salman Afrisi dari kelas 10 mesin 5.
What's up, it's your boy Valento. Sophia Grace. Oh, we're about to turn up, baby. Let's go.
Wake up every day like hello beautiful, 'cause this world is so crazy and it can bring you down. You're too short, too fat, too skinny. Hey, well excuse me if I think that I'm pretty. So I don't care what you say, 'cause I'm original. And I learned how to love me from my head down to my toes. Let 'em know if you with me. Hey, 'cause I finally found the answer is in me. With a smile on my face, 'cause I know who I am and I can't ever be replaced. So go ahead, be proud, be different. Hey, that's what makes you one out of a million. Whoa, my mama, she say,
Tell us what she said, so.
don't you let him get you down. I can learn to love me. That's why I'm talking to the girl in the mirror. Whoa. Even if you're down, better get up, whoa, 'cause every setback's just a setup, whoa, there's something just a little bit better. Oh, I'm talking to the girl of the sea.